At AGC, we approach testing in an integrated way. So we have end-to-end business scenarios in which a lot of departments are involved. And so when we want to perform testing, we usually have to gather a lot of people in one room. Those people, they come with their printed test scripts. And whenever people have performed their steps in the testing process, they have to stand up, go to a whiteboard, write the intermediate results on the whiteboard so that the next tester in the process can continue based on those results. And usually that is always a little bit chaotic, because people, they come into the room, they leave the room, one shouts to the other that he has to do a certain step. So it's always a little bit problematic and chaotic. What we are expecting from a testing tool is a tool that helps people during the execution of their tests. What we want to avoid is that people need to ask themselves, what should I test, when should I test, with what data should I test. So a testing solution should help people and make it clear to people what they have to do, when and where. We were looking for a solution that helps people in executing their tests, and Panaya has this great feature of workflow. So the people that have to perform certain tests, they get an automatic email notification, so they know they have to perform a certain test in the system. They can record their results in Panaya, and then the control is passed on to the next person in the test cycle. It was all a little bit chaotic. With Panaya, we have a lot more control over the testing process, and the people can really focus on the testing itself rather than on wondering what they have to test and where they have to document their results. Sure, we can do a lot more testing with a lot less people. So we have gained efficiency. And as a test manager, it is really great to have this integrated view over the whole status of the testing, with all the reporting features that come, the integrated reporting features that come with Panaya. The workflow feature with the emails and the notifications. Well, if like AGC you want to address testing in an integrated way, in an end-to-end way, you certainly have to look for collaboration features.